Former governor of occupied Kashmir Satya Malik has blamed Narendra Modi government for the Pulwana incident in 2019, terming it the result of incompetence of his government and a massive intelligence failure. Satya Malik was governor when the Pulwana incident happened in February 2019. Over 40 Indian troops were killed when a vehicle laden with explosive hit one of the buses of a convoy of Indian Central Reserve Police Force in Pulwana on 14 February 2019. Political analysts and many Indian politicians had said that the Pulwana incident was orchestrated by Narendra Modi government to win the elections. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has condemned the disallowing of Jumatul Wida prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid Srinagar by the authorities. Farooq Abdullah, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed the authorities' action as a clear violation and interference in the religious rights of the people. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar has condemned the authorities for once again imposing restrictions and disallowing Friday prayers on the auspicious occasion of Jumatul Wida at the historic mosque. The Anjuman, in a statement, said that administration officials and Indian police personnel locked the gates of the Grand Mosque without giving any reason. Demonstrating its bias against Kashmiris, an Indian court has dismissed a petition seeking to quash an FIR registered against a young Kashmiri professor over his WhatsApp status. A division bench of the Bombay High Court refused to quash the FIR against the Kashmiri professor. A professor at the Kolhapur College, Javed Ahmad Hajam, was booked after he termed the abrogation of Article 370 as Black Day in his WhatsApp status. Incarcerated General Secretary of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, has deplored that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is making one after another attempt to mislead the world community about the ground situation of occupied Kashmir and hide the brutalities of its troops on the innocent Kashmiris. Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Modi regime wants to hold the G20 meeting in the UN-recognized disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir to peddle its false narrative of normalcy. Dead body of an unidentified woman was recovered in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Officials said that some passers-by noticed a female dead body lying in Veshunala near a bridge in Damhal, Hajipura area of the district, and they informed the police. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has deplored that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government has snatched all basic rights, including the right to life, of the people of the occupied Kashmir, and the world is watching as a mute spectator. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said India is violating international laws and agreements by depriving the Kashmiris of their fundamental rights. Annual Hindu pilgrimage Amarnath Yatra will commence on July 1st this year. The Amarnath Yatra will continue for 62 days and culminate on August 31. The registration through online and offline modes for the Yatra will start from Monday, April 17th.